Hello, CS2 enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that can be particularly useful for server administrators and players who want to customize their CS2 experience. And that is how to extend the around time. But before we dive into all of that, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Okay, so extending the round time in CS2. Is it important? Yes, it is. Why? Because in custom game modes or on community servers, extending round times allows for unique and customized gameplay experiences because it's valuable for players who want to practice a specific skills or techniques. It provides more time for target practice, weapon training or rehearsing strategies without the pressure of a standard match, right? And in maps designed for exploration, puzzles, or discovering hidden areas, longer round times are essential because players need extra time to explore and interact with the environment fully. And longer round times can create a more relaxed and enjoyable gameplay experience because it's especially relevant for casual or friendly matches where players want to have fun, experiment with the tactics, or engage in friendly banner. On community servers or in non-competitive settings, extending round time can facilitate team building activities or social interactions. It allows players to engage in discussions, plan strategies, and build camaraderie during breaks between rounds. Even instructors or coaches in CS2 can use extended round times to teach new players about map control, strategy, and that's I believe all you gotta do now is go to your console, toggle to your console. If you don't find your console like that, all you gotta do is go to the gear icon here and click enable developer console. Click it to yes. And once you've done that, go to console and just type in this one. Okay, go to
Lantern.
and then put a value of 60. And after putting a putting a value of 60, so players are now using a server for practice or training process with an extended round time can be beneficial for focus drills, specific exercises, or team building activities without the interruption of frequent round resets. And if you found this video helpful or even entertaining, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.